Hi, I'm Ron. I work at the Utica store. Been here for 6 years selling this equipment. This is the Billy Goat debris loader, generally regarded as the best in class of debris loaders in the United States today. I always like to say that people love trees and they hate leaves, and the debris loader from Billy Goat is actually a great way to deal with that. You're looking right now at an 18 horsepower electric start model with a Briggs Vanguard engine on it. You can put it in the back of your truck bed. You can put it on a swing-away hitch or a fixed hitch on your truck, or you can actually put it on a trailer as well. Comes with a 10-foot, 12-inch hose, 12-inch diameter hose, allow you to suck up leaves and other debris. Does a great job of emptying it out into your truck bed. It's going to pull 3,700 cubic feet of air per minute when it's picking up your debris and your leaves. This is also available in a 37 horsepower. 37 horsepower you can put on a trailer. As a matter of fact, it's recommended. So if you have a bigger truck with a cover on it, you don't have to worry about hanging this on the back of a truck. It's going to do just fine on this trailer. Still a Briggs and Stratton Vanguard engine. Your hose is still 10 feet long, but now it's 14 inches wide. We do recommend you're a little cautious. This is an incredibly powerful machine, so if you have loose bricks or hard pieces of rock underneath the leaves, you got to be a little bit cautious because it's going to suck that up as well. But again, you can see the construction on the chute. It's going to fire it into your truck bed. A lot of people buy covers for their truck beds to control that flow. The 37 horsepower is going to pull over 5,000 cubic feet of air per minute. So nothing's going to escape its reach when you're picking up debris and leaves on either of these machines. So if part of your business is cleanup in the fall, this is an ideal piece of equipment for you. High quality commercial construction at a very affordable price, and absolutely gets the job done for you and your customers. So where can you find this terrific piece of equipment? You can find it at any of the Weingarts locations or at weingarts.com.